Welcome to today's video where we're diving into the exciting world of boosting your online income through hidden gems. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the endless options for making money online, you're not alone. But what if I told you that some of the most effective strategies are often overlooked? In this video, we'll explore innovative income methods that can help you tap into new revenue streams without the usual hustle and bustle. We'll kick things off by uncovering lesser-known platforms and tools that can significantly enhance your earning potential. From niche affiliate marketing opportunities to unique freelance gigs, there's a treasure trove of options waiting for you. You'll learn how to leverage these hidden gems to create a sustainable income that aligns with your passions and skills. But that's not all. We'll also share practical tips on how to get started with these methods, ensuring you have a clear roadmap to follow. Whether you're a seasoned online entrepreneur or just starting out, this video is designed to be engaging and informative, packed with actionable insights that you can implement right away. So, if you're ready to discover innovative strategies that can elevate your online earnings, stick around. Let's unlock the secrets to boosting your income and uncover those hidden gems together. Understanding online income streams, exploring your options. In today's digital landscape, understanding the various types of online income streams is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their financial stability. Let's break it down into two main categories: passive and active income. Active income requires your direct involvement, such as freelancing or consulting, where you trade time for money. On the other hand, passive income allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort, like earning royalties from a digital product or income from affiliate marketing. Both types have their place in the online space, and knowing how to balance them can lead to greater financial freedom. One of the key strategies for achieving financial stability is diversifying your income sources. Relying on a single stream can be risky, especially in an ever-changing online environment. By exploring multiple avenues, you can create a more resilient financial portfolio. Let's look at some popular examples. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income by promoting products and earning commissions on sales. E-commerce, whether through dropshipping or selling handmade goods, offers a more active approach but can also lead to passive income once established. Lastly, creating and selling digital products like ebooks or online courses can provide a steady stream of income with the right marketing strategy. By understanding these income streams and their dynamics, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. So, let's dive deeper into each of these options and discover how you can start building your online income today. Identifying hidden gems, uncovering lesser-known methods to boost online income. When it comes to boosting your online income, identifying hidden gems can make all the difference. While many people flock to popular methods like affiliate marketing or e-commerce, there are unique strategies that often go overlooked. These lesser-known methods can provide significant earning potential, especially if you tap into niche markets and specialized services. One standout option is print-on-demand services. This model allows you to create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without the need for inventory. You simply upload your designs to a platform, and they handle production and shipping. This means you can focus on creativity and marketing while generating passive income from your designs. Another hidden gem is creating and selling online courses. With the rise of e-learning, there's a growing demand for specialized knowledge. If you have expertise in a particular field, be it photography, coding, or even cooking, you can package that knowledge into a course. Platforms like Teachable or Udemy make it easy to reach a global audience, allowing you to earn money while helping others learn. By exploring these unique strategies, you can carve out a niche for yourself in the online marketplace. The potential for growth in these areas is immense, and with the right approach, you can effectively boost your online income. So, let's dive deeper into these hidden gems and discover how you can leverage them for financial success. Leveraging social media for income, enhancing your online earnings. In today's digital age, leveraging social media for income has become a game changer for many entrepreneurs and creators. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are not just for sharing photos and videos, they are powerful tools for monetization. With millions of active users, these platforms offer unique opportunities to connect with audiences and drive sales. Building a personal brand is crucial in this landscape. Your brand is your identity, and it sets you apart from the competition. By consistently sharing your values, expertise, and personality, you can cultivate a loyal following. Engaging with your audience through comments, live sessions, and polls fosters a sense of community, making your followers more likely to support your ventures. Creating shareable content is key to driving traffic and sales. Focus on producing high-quality, visually appealing posts that resonate with your audience. Use storytelling techniques to connect emotionally, whether through informative videos, entertaining reels, or eye-catching graphics. Don't forget to incorporate calls to action, encouraging viewers to visit your website or check out your products. Additionally, consider collaborating with other creators or brands to expand your reach. Influencer partnerships can introduce your offerings to new audiences, amplifying your visibility and potential sales. By strategically using social media platforms, you can enhance your online earnings while building a vibrant community around your brand. So let's explore how to effectively harness these tools to unlock your income potential. Utilizing online tools and resources, streamlining your online income efforts. In the quest to boost your online income, utilizing the right tools and resources can make all the difference. Automation tools in particular are game changers for marketing and sales. By automating repetitive tasks, you can save time and focus on what truly matters, growing your business. For instance, platforms like Hootsuite allow you to schedule social media posts in advance, ensuring a consistent online presence without the daily hassle. This not only enhances your marketing efforts, but also helps you engage with your audience more effectively. Beyond automation, there are numerous resources available for learning and improving your skills. Webinars and online courses offer valuable insights into various aspects of online business, from digital marketing strategies to financial management. Websites like Coursera and Udemy provide a plethora of courses tailored to your needs, helping you stay ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving digital landscape. Design is another critical area where tools can streamline your efforts. Canva is a fantastic resource for creating stunning visuals, whether you need graphics for social media, presentations, or marketing materials. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for everyone, regardless of design experience. By leveraging these online tools and resources, you can enhance your productivity, improve your skills, and ultimately boost your online income. So, let's dive deeper into how these tools can transform your approach to earning money online. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now, and you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. There is also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Real-life success stories, inspiring journeys of boosting online income. Today, let's dive into some real-life success stories that showcase how individuals from diverse backgrounds have successfully boosted their online income. These inspiring tales highlight the various methods they employed and the persistence that fueled their journeys. Take Sarah, for example. A former school teacher, she turned her passion for crafting into a thriving e-commerce business. By leveraging platforms like Etsy, she created unique handmade items that resonated with a niche audience. Sarah's journey wasn't without challenges. She faced slow sales initially. However, her adaptability in learning about SEO and social media marketing helped her reach a wider audience, ultimately leading to a six-figure income. Then there's Mark, who transitioned from a corporate job to becoming a full-time digital marketer. He started by offering freelance services on platforms like Upwork. Through consistent effort and a willingness to learn, Mark expanded his skill set and eventually launched his own online course, teaching others how to navigate the digital marketing landscape. His story emphasizes that persistence pays off, as he faced numerous setbacks before achieving success. These stories remind us that the path to boosting online income is not a straight line. It requires resilience, adaptability, and a willingness to learn from failures. As you listen to these journeys, let them inspire you to take action in your own life. Remember, if they can do it, so can you. Embrace your unique journey and find motivation in the possibilities that lie ahead. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 100 to choose from.